Ever wanted a car that's faster than your Wi-Fi? Well, now you can. For as little as $497, you can win this Audi RS3 Carbon Vorsprung. Let me show you what you can get for less money than a bad coffee. This car has a 2.5 TFSI engine going 400 brake horsepower. This car goes to 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, definitely making your commute to work more exciting. Or, well, less miserable. Not only does this car have the normal RS mode, it also has the sport mode. Let's give it a go. So if you're not used to power, don't worry. This car has cruise control, auto sense, and it's lane assist. So you don't have to worry. The RS3 features a bold grille, and the Matrix LED dynamic headlights represent checkered race flags, just in case you didn't know the car was already fast. So, this car is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to 𝗥𝗏𝗄𝗃competition.com and purchase a ticket for only $4.97.